Alright guys, welcome back. In the previous tutorial we have seen that our program is creating a window which is being disappearing after a little time. So in this tutorial we are going to fix this window, and we have to do something that this window will remain for a long time unless we want. So first of all, it would be done with something infinite that would run infinitely. So we are going to use a while loop. While true, our program will be working. So if we use this yes, sorry, its indentation has to be here. I have to comment this. It was quieting our program. Line number 8, let's remove this, and yes, it was an error here. Pass. We are being assigning nothing, we just pass this. Our window has been created, and it's being not responding, not working, not there, you see, not responding. We now have to handle why is being not responding. When we do this, it should quiet our window while it's not responding, so we forcefully quiet this window. So I would show you how to fix this. First of all, we are going to assign a variable that our something is true. First of all, we are running our program, so running equals to true. While running, so true is being assigned to running while running, means unless something is running. So what we are going to do here, we are going to do is just to for, we are going to handle events. For event in pygame dot event dot get, we are going to use a for loop to handle all the events in our pygame loop. So it's being called the main game loop while this game loop, and here which for loop that is being used, it's used to handle all the events that are being going to happen in our pygame programs. So if event dot type equals pygame dot quit, if this equals this, then our running should be false. So our running equals false. Pygame dot quit. So let's have a look what's been going on there. Our window has been created, and that's great, it responded well. So the next thing what we are going to do is just to handling our events, and let's note this. Okay, for events, all the events, print event. Okay, all the things that we're going to do is just to be print on the screen. There you can see I clicked, there you go, gain 0, there I moved mouse motion position. This is the tuple that used to define x-axis and y-axis of the motion of our mouse. So these are the buttons, 0 0 0 left, middle, right, no button is being pressed. So it's all for this program, I think. So and something else, indent our program, Control Alt and L, everything has been indented. So see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.